So this is the Monster Planet Grill and Steamboat, where you can have grills and unlimited food as much as you can eat for as low as 20 ringgit. This place in Shalam, near Subang Jaya. Gonna see a bunch of grilling, the stoves there, all kind of seafoods pretty much that you can expect, from shrimpies, some clams, the bamboo shoot is present there. You do have the chicken, the sotong, jacking. Monster Planet. They do have ice creams as well. Nice. These are all the sauces to choose from. Some butter, ice kosong, teo. What is this one? Teo ice. And the other one, the water dispenser. This one is entirely halal restaurant, if I'm not mistaken. Plenty of Malay people eating here. People from other races are present here. This is our table. And as for tom yum soup, chicken soup, and prawn soup as well. Nice.
Yummy.
Your name?
Lia.
Thanks, Lia. I want to say, like, really thankful to you because you translated all the things from her. Yeah. And what do you think about this place? Like, how's the food and the overall experience?
Since they serve something that is my favorite.
Which is your favorite?
Which is my favorite is the
Bamboo shoot.
Yeah, bamboo shoot.
Okay.
And the enoki takish mushroom and also the lamb.
Oh, okay.
So
how do you rate the foods here out of 10?
out of 10, I will give full marks because
That's
where the other place I eat lamb is very chewy, very hard to eat.
okay.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like a bit softer, right?
Yeah, a bit softer.
Yeah. And how about Wayne, you?
Definitely the price. It's very worth it.
Okay. And which one did it?
But the food is actually quite fresh and more deserves much more better reviews than what I expected.
And I mean, which food would you say the best from here?
Definitely the lamb.
Definitely the lamb. Okay.
Marinated lamb.
How much would you rate?
Out of 10,
Yes, out of 10.
give it about an 8. It's a good price, good service. Just that the location is maybe just a bit far, but if you're willing, and it will be definitely worth it.
Okay. Do you think coming here was much easier to navigate, or you found it difficult?
Actually, it's quite easy if you know the roads of Malaysian ways and you know how to avoid the jams.
How long did it take from KL, let's say Bukit Jalil or Sri Petali?
It might take around 15 to 30 minutes depending on the traffic, but generally it wouldn't take much more longer than that.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, tell the name of the restaurant and yourself. What's your name?
My name is Siti Salina. You can
And
call me Lin.
hi, Lin.
Lin.
And what's the name of this restaurant?
Monster Planet.
Okay, and what's so special about this restaurant?
My restaurant,
Yeah.
paling special is kambing.
Okay.
Harapan to kambing sedap.
Okay.
The marinating is very good. Which means the lamb flavor is quite strong and
Okay.
quite flavorful.
Okay, that's cool. And how did you come up with this idea, like providing all this food for like 20 ringgits, like in a city like Malaysia?
Okay, macam ni. Punca dia, adik saya memang peminat steamboat. So bila dia pergi mana-mana, dia nak family can together,
Entertain together.
money ni,
And they can
makan
enjoy.
sama-sama.
Okay.
They can enjoy together at a
Very lower cost. And that gives a lot of happy smile.
Yes.
And that is your prime focus onto like giving the best services. So you guys feel like more happy to serving better to the customers rather than focusing onto your profits. And that's a good thing. Thank you very much. I really enjoyed your restaurant and eating at the restaurant, and I ate until I'm like here. I'm coming there again. You'll see me. You can expect to see me every week. Thanks to this friend who brought me here. Thank you. That's all, guys. I hope you guys like this review video. I never did any food review shows before, so hope you like it. Make sure to like and share and subscribe and share this video to more people so that they can also enjoy a cheaper meal with a bunch of delicious foods here, very near in KL, in a very family-friendly place. Thank you and see you again.